Hey guys, today I received Amazon Fire TV stick from Tata Sky as a gift, and it will convert any normal TV into smart TV. As you can see, this is the Amazon Fire Stick which will convert any normal TV into a smart TV. If you have any kind of old TV, then it will very useful for you. And if we talk about the box content, then as you can see that we have remote charger cable, and this is the Amazon TV Fire Stick after unboxing. Let us see how it will work. As you can see, I have set up my Amazon TV Fire Stick, and this is the interface which I have seen. As you can see, these are some of the apps which it is already pre-installed, and this app is I have installed Tata Sky Play Binge. I already received this app like Prime Video, Z5. It takes some time to install, but after installing it works very smooth without any kind of issue. So yeah, it is working like a smart TV. It helps us in very kind of scenarios. Like if we want to watch YouTube and if or any OTT platform, then it will definitely help us. Thanks. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe our channel.
मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो। और नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए आप जो है वॉच नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आप इसी से रिलेटेड नेक्स्ट वीडियोस भी देख पाएंगे।